Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? It's a really good news for all Dogecoin holder, my brother, because after a very long time, Dogecoin will starting moving up for now. So congratulations, all of you, my brother, and absolutely we predicate this coin video technical analysis, and also we share opinion now, my brother. So kindly holders, don't skip any second of the video and must watch to understand better now, especially for new holder. I hope, my brother, if you follow this channel, so I hope you never lost. I will give you guarantee, 100% I will give you guarantee. Let's predicate this coin, my brother. This time you can see here the change occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring will be positive now. So congratulations, my brothers, to the coin is completely in the profit now. Let's predicate this coin, my brother. First of all, as you can see, my friend, in the last 24-hour chart is I already open it, and if you can see, my brother, the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So absolutely, my friend, you can see here they're moving in this circulation. After a jump they will fails down, and after a fail they will take a jump. So exactly, my friend, every graph will moving upward and this style, but absolutely, my friend, in the same time, as you can see here, they will take adjusted only, my friend, very huge jump now. Congratulations, my brothers, so they will go in the moon now, but definitely, my friend, they cannot moving upward if you cannot hold now. So hold it. I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing now. Yes, absolutely, my friend, upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward now, but that's all need, my friend, your focus absolutely if you hold it now. Remember, my brothers, Dogecoin team is also doing very hard work, and they will collaborate a lot of companies, my friend, in the same time, but that's all, my friend, is possible if you hold it. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do, but kindly hold it. Please like and subscribe this channel for more of this type of videos. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.